Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to fix app not install problem in Realme 16T. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.